So now it's time to start with the CSS part of the project. So for that we need to use the style.css file. Now inside of that, first I'm going to select the universal selector. So this is the universal selector. Instead of that, first I'm going to reset the margin. So margin to 0 and then padding to 0 as well. And after that I'm going to select the box sizing. So box sizing is going to be the border box. Now I'm going to select the body selector. That is this body selector, and then we need to first select the display. So display is going to be like flex, then align items is going to be the center, and then justify content is going to be the center of the screen. And after that we need to use here a min height. So minimum height that I want is actually 90 VH. Alright, and then we need to specify the width. So width is going to be like 100%. Then I need to use the position fixed. Actually I have to use here fixed one. And then we need to add the font family. So font family I will be using the Helvetica one. You can see now the font is actually changed. Then we want to use the background color, so I will be using the RGB function. For the red color I will be using 242. Then for the green, that is this one, we need to use the green value here. So for the green I will be using 112. Then to specify the comma, and then we need to delete this one, and here we need to add the 156. Control save it. You can see now we get this nice pinkish color. And then we need to add the text alignment property, add the center. So it is actually text alignment center. You can see this is the text alignment center property. Now you can see the problem is that in the final version the text is actually appearing at the center of the screen, but in our version there is a problem. The text is still at the top. So the problem with that, because in this min height I have to add here 90, but I have added here a 9 as a value. So if I enter here 90, if I control save it, now you can see the text is actually moved to the center of the screen. So that's it for all the code for the CSS part for this zoom in out application by using the scroll wheel of mouse. In the next part, we're going to start with the JavaScript part of the project.